Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new Zenpop unboxing video for you, and I think this is the March theme. That is right, the March theme. Why can't I speak? Theme. I love this design. If you know, you know. I'm pretty sure this is based off Kiki's delivery service, and it's such a cute take on it. So this is the QR code if you want to follow along at home. So the theme is actually playful pixels, which makes sense. It's very pixelated at the background. I don't know if you guys know, but Violet's my best friend. She's actually working on a video game right now called Moonlight and Garden. This whole theme is so Moonlight and Garden-esque. The colors, the pixelness really reminds me of her game. I'm definitely going to talk more about her game probably closer to the release date. It's going to be officially released later in the year. However, there's a demo out on Steam now if you guys are interested. I'm sure that a lot of people who follow me probably follow Violet because we're both very active online together. But yeah, she used to do stickers. I still use a lot of her stickers, and then she kind of moved off into video game, and now she's doing this pixel game, Moonlight Garden, which is super, super cute. So yeah, I definitely recommend you check it out. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. This is so cute. I don't think I've seen this before. It's like .e pens. Oh, so you can like literally create pixel art. Do you see that? And it's all kind of squared stamps here. All right, I'm going to try this off at the end of the video. I'm also going to try this little crayon. There's a little giraffe. Yes, its neck is a little snap, but it's still very cute. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my gosh. For some reason, I legitimately thought it was Lego. But it is, I mean, it is kind of Lego. But it's an eraser Lego, so you can actually use this to erase with. I'm obviously not going to do that. It's too cute to use. How could you use it? But yeah, an eraser Lego. That is very cute. Then we have some washi tape. Really big washi tape, which is kind of like just a street... side of a street. Yeah, we've got cafe, everything. Honestly, this whole box is reminding me of video games. I guess because a lot of video games are pixelated. I'm just trying to open this up. It's not actually washi tape. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully you can. It's kind of like cellophane tape. So it's clear with this clear design printed on it. So I think you need to cut it rather than actually tear it, which is what I would usually do with washi tape. But it's still a really cute design. It's like the side of a street, shops, bunch of shops. But yeah, the whole box is giving me video game vibes, which I love. So now we have this little sketchbook. It's actually a really good book with dot grid. So you can draw your pixel art here. I don't know why, I'm actually kind of impressed with this little sketchbook because it's so thin. Oh, it's from Kokio. That's probably why I think it's so good. Yeah, it's super, super thin, Kokio. So easy to slip in and just like make any notes. We have sticky notes here. Open it up. Ah, they look like letters. Yep. This is kind of like a matte vinyl. Not vinyl, but like transparent paper. Matte transparent, but it's like an envelope. Then we have the letter set, which is a really cute design. I'm in love with these purple pink colors. Again, very Moonlight and Garden-esque. So cute. I'm not going to open this. I'm actually decided to start saving all my letter sets, and then I don't know, maybe I'll like bundle them all together and then give them away, or I'm not sure because I don't use them. I don't really write letters that often, and I feel like it's such a waste if I keep opening them and then just using 1 or 2 sheets for decoration in my journal. So I decided I want to keep these intact. So I don't know, maybe at the end of the year I could send them to somebody. I don't know who else would need letter sets, but it's always an option there, especially for people who maybe are not able to get these sort of boxes and just want something really cute and fun. That might be nice for them. Oh, look at these. These are like Japanese like desserts, but all pixelated. Oh, this is the cutest. I love this. I'm totally using this, and it's all flat, so perfect for planners. And then we have another set of stickers here, but they're a little different. They're like, I kind of love this. It's like scenes, as if it was like an anime, and they're like scenes from an anime, maybe. Let me just look it up to be sure. I love this. It's okay, so it's not really based off anything except just It's supposed to make you feel a little bit more nostalgic and sentimental and just like, I'm loving this. Yeah, I'm so used to stickers like this, but these are very cool as well. They can definitely give a nice theme to your spread. Alright, let's go check out these pens. Okay, I'm going to try out this crayon first. It's a really nice lavender color. And I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be crayon. Oh, I hope you can see it. I'm just looking at the screen now. It's so light that I can't see it showing up. It's showing up in person. It's a very light pastel color. It's really beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's really nice. I actually really like this. But it's so light it may not show up on camera. Alright, these next ones I'm very excited to try. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I'm not actually familiar with this brand. Sunstar. I am. I think we have a few items from there. Alright, so we have 4 colors, all jewel tip. Let's try out the blue. So we'll try this square. Okay, like with most things, you'll need a pretty steady hand, and you need to kind of like roll it to get a good even square. But once you do, it looks very cool. And then on the other side, it's like a felt tip pen. I love this color. Really, really nice. All right, let's test all the colors. I'm probably gonna just do this line because I'm not very good at drawing even squares. I know, like, I like the idea, but because I'm not very coordinated and you'd have to put equal pressure on all 4 corners to get an even square, I feel like that's something that I would not do very well, and so I'd probably end up doing that more often. Not loving this line, this like really fluoro green. These 2 colors harmonize really well, but this one just seems really odd. On the screen, it looks more muted. In person, it's like fluorescent. It's really, really bright, so it seems like an odd choice. But then again, this yellow, very, very fluorescent as well. So maybe you have like 2 more muted colors, and then you have 2 very traditional highlight colors, because you have like the light green and the yellow, so maybe that's the point. But I guess in person, these colors, like especially this one, looks much more pastel and muted, so it's a bit disappointing. I'm not a big fan of these 2 colors. I've never been a big fan of those really vibrant, high contrast highlight colors. I'm always much more of a mild liner person, so love these, not these so much, but the concept is really cool. I'd love to see other colors, and I think I'm just scrolling to see if they do come in other colors. I'm pretty sure they should, right? Yeah, so there were 2 different packs. You could get a more warm tone, and this is more cool tone, so I'd be keen to try the other ones, but I'm not sure I would go out to buy them myself. I have quite enough pens, thank you very much. Anyways, that is everything in March's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.